Hello students, welcome to lab number 30 of Python for BCA third semester as per the syllabus of IK Punjab Technical University Jalandhar. This one is the title of the program, to find the max of three numbers using functions. Let's copy the title inside spider platform. It's lab number 30, to find the max of three numbers using functions. First of all, designing of the function. Three numbers are required, that the numbers are A, B and C. If A greater than B, if A greater than C, simply we can print A is largest. Else print C is largest. And the second condition, else if B greater than C, we can print B is largest. Else print C is largest. Suppose this one is the functional block. Now pass the elements from user side. That capital A is the first value, input, enter first integer value, then second value, similarly we can enter the third value, int, input, third value, then passing these values inside the function. Now execute the program, enter the first value 12, 13 and 56. 56 is the largest value. Suppose I am entering the same value. 11 is the largest value. Suppose I am entering some negative value. -2 is the largest value. Suppose I am entering 0 inside this. 0, 11 and -11. You can print 11 as the largest value. If I am printing 0 along with some negative values, I can print 0 as the largest. It means in every situation the answer is correct. I am going to repeat again. First of all, we have to design the function with three variables. As three contents are required, three numbers are required. If A greater than B and A greater than C, if A is greater than both the values, then A is the largest, otherwise C is the largest. Now the second condition, if B greater than C, then B is the largest and otherwise C is the largest. Then you have to enter the values from user side, then passing all the values inside the function. Hope you understand the program. In the next video, I will discuss about multiply all the numbers inside the list using functions. Thanks for watching my video.